What's up, everybody? This is Daxton, Weaver Family Farm. So we got my 2001 Dodge Ram 1500, which you've probably seen in my other videos. This thing seems like it's been nothing but trouble, and it's only got like not even 120,000 miles on it. But let me kind of start at the beginning. So the other day when I parked it here in our driveway, the key is dinging. As you can hear, the key's not even in it. No matter what position I turn it in, which is weird, it's turning, it's letting me go all the way over without even putting the key in, which I just now realized. But anyway, when that's on, the radio's fine. Let's see if I don't know if I think these lights work anymore though. Try turning on my headlights here. Let's see if I get anything. Yep. Headlights are on just fine. But anyway, it will not even attempt to start out of nowhere. I haven't had any problems lately with it or anything like that so far as the other day when I parked it, like I said. And it just, I almost feel like there's got to be something wrong with this. Anyway, let's see, go back up here. Basically, I'll go over a few of the things that I've already tried. So I tried jumping the battery with our other car, and I even verified, good connection and everything right to the battery. Changes nothing. It seems like it has plenty of power. It just doesn't even try to start. And right here, the solenoid, I tried touching both these to try to jump the solenoid, which usually you can do that on a lawnmower or anything. And I mean, nothing happens. Even if I go right here straight to the wire, absolutely nothing happens. We tried jumping directly to the starter motor down there, taking off this boot, and I even tried jumping it from the car to, just to kind of verify the motor. Nothing still happens. So I don't know if it's just the straight starter itself is causing issues or what exactly. I try to make a video on everything when I have a problem, because most likely someone else is going to have this problem, or even if I have the problem in the future, I can go back and fix it. So I'll have to come back later whenever I do, hopefully soon, figure out exactly what the problem is, or maybe what I'm doing wrong so far as troubleshooting. Trying to see if I can think of anything else. Oh, I looked through all the fuses. All the fuses look fine. This is kind of what the fuse map is, what it looks like. The batteries are, pretty clean. Like I said, we already tried doing like everything with the cables from the car to the truck. Still nothing. And normally, when you do this, you get a spark. Which, I'm just not getting anything at all. So once again, I'm gonna try to figure it out, and I'll add back to this video when I do figure it out, and hopefully it can help something else. Now, when I first started the video in there and I'm able to turn the key all the way, I don't think I should be able to do that. Plus the wheel seems like it's almost kind of locked or something. So hopefully it's something simple, but that's enough for this video. I'll see you in the next part. All right, so this is the next day. Late yesterday, ended up talking to a neighbor, and he gave me an idea about a church bus that they have. He's like, make sure, shake it and make sure it's in gear fully. So there really wasn't an actual problem with my truck, and the reason the key was beeping was because my truck wasn't fully in gear. Now, some of your newer vehicles have, the electronic stuff, and it'll tell you what gear you're in or if you're not in a gear. Well, this deal is a little shaky and loose. It's been like that since I got it, but that was over 2 years ago, so I totally forgot about it. And you could probably look back on the first part of the video again, but it wasn't all the way in park. It was like kind of just to the right of the park, just enough to where it wasn't fully seated in park. It wouldn't let me start. I'll go ahead and turn the key just to show you, but No problems now. Just the seatbelt light there is all, but everything's fine. You can hear the motor. But it's one of them things, I guess you live and you learn. I probably won't forget the issue now. But this, you know, might solve someone else's problem. So I'll go ahead and put this video up on YouTube anyway, and hopefully it can help someone out. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.